Asset plant machinery. Today we're going to overview our STEELMASTER Industrial PK35 vertical horizontal. This is a vertical horizontal section roller, three-phase machine. It's one of our range of section roller ring rollers that we offer on offer to our metalworking customers. Some features on this one here: we've got forward and reverse on the pedal, as you can see there. E-stops on there. Standard set of tools we supply with the machine. Split formers. So with those split formers, you can do your square section, RHS, and also angle by adjusting those formers to suit your material. Obviously the side guides here which come in and out to suit your material being rolled. We also have a wide range of pipe formers and tube formers for our PK35 and our range of section rollers. Very well built storage cabinet just down here, you can see, to store your formers and tooling in there as well. Nice wide base and gearbox drive, as we can see behind there. Quality built, industrial built machine, and basically the wind the handle up and down there to get your wire position here, which is all calibrated. And as mentioned before, one of the main features of our PK35 is it can work in the vertical plane, and Steve's going to demonstrate how it comes back to the horizontal plane as well. So when you've got wide diameter, large diameter work to do, simply put it back into its horizontal plane and set up some outriggers, and you can do your large rolling of your material. So jump on assetplant.com.au and see our range of metalworking products. Thanks and have a great day.